Welcome to Faithful Media Tech. Today we are going to look at how you can join text and numbers together in Excel. So let's just look at methods you can join text together. Maybe your example name, addresses, different kind of things. You want to join it together in Excel. Maybe you're transferring your data from your workbook, sheet 1 to sheet 2 or workbook 1 to workbook 2, and you want to make it be in a one cell. That is, it was in two cells together before, but you want to make it be in one cell now, and you want to join it together. Let's just see the method you can apply and achieve that. So number one, we want to just look at the number one method to use. So I can just come and put equal to this, and the ampersand is always used as and in Excel. This cell. So we got a name here, Nancy Smith, but it's not that pretty good because it's turning everything together, and in a real sense, nobody can read this as your name. That's good, but you are not up to there. So let's look at the method 2 you can use to get name. So I'll put equal to this, and I put comma, and again this cell. Yes, we have and not, but not that really good because in the real sense your name will not be like this. If you look at it, there's no space between Andy and comma and not, so it's not that pretty good. But in the real sense, when you want to make use of this, is very good, but to a name like this is not good. So let's look at another method you can use also to join text together. Equal to this method is similar to the second one. Then I put and I put the double quote, comma, then I'll put space. The number of space I put determine how my text is going to look like. So I put my ampersand there again, hit the second, take my quotas. So you see now I have a very big space between these two names. So if I go to my formula bar and click reduce it, okay, I have this now, Jane and what quotas. So but there is comma, but in the full name now, just what I need to do, I don't need to add the comma there. I just need to remove the comma to get my full name. So I can just come and click equal to this cell and put the quote. I just give like two space, put the double quote again, and highlight the second cell. Sorry, I didn't put and, that is why. Okay, and so I put the second cell. Alright, I have Mariah Jones. So these are the way you can join text in Excel together. Let's go to the next one, how you can join text and numbers. Remember, when you join text and number together, it converts that text to the number to just a serial number. Not for example, if it is a date, it converts the serial number, general number. If it is a time, it also convert it to a decimal number. So here I have written the formula already. Remember, in our time function, we use today to get the current date and use now to get the current time. And if you look at here, I have 12:03 and here I have 12:04 in my computer. So now in this joining text and number, I'll just go to the bar here and explain to you because I've already written it there. Just like what you did there, I just joined the text and number together, and automatically, if you see what happened there, it converts the date to a number. You can't just read it. So we have 43963 has the date here. So I joined it together. I joined today's date and the number and the date together. So I have today's date, I have date here. So the same thing to current time. I join the current time here together with time. So current time and time, we get this long digit here. So our last formatting, we have how I want to format my date now. Remember this other one, we didn't format it, so it was just normal thing. So when I join date and time and text together, I will have to format the date in such a way that somebody can read it. Remember this first one, nobody can read it. So I have to format the time and the date in such a way that somebody can read it. So how do I do that? For example, I just come here for the date. I will just type it here for you to see. So I'll put equal to, I'll go and highlight this cell and then put my quote. I put space again, put the quote again, and because I'm dealing with text, this very one now is text, I'll put text, right? So I open the new bracket. So I now highlight this cell, right? Put comma. So I need to format the date the way I want. So I'll put which is what? Month / DD day / then triple Y as year and close it. So now I have complete date. Let me go again. Now, because you cannot read this very one here, I'm going to write example of how that date works there. So I put equal to, I highlight this very date and then put my and sign, then put the double quote space, double quote again, then put the and sign, then put text, because that very thing I'm dealing with is text. This is how to format your text when you are joining text, format text or number. So as I put text there, I tap my press my tab button key and then highlight the number now, put comma, put the quote. So I specify day or month depending on how I want to format my date. I can start with day, comma, / month / year, 1 2 3 4. Then I put the double quote there, close it. Yes. So now I have a date here, 12/5/2020. Right? Okay. Very simple like that. I have formatted my text, joined them together. Let's look at the way I can do it for time. So I put equal to, I highlight the time, the text area, put and quote space, quote again, then I'll put and text, because that very cell it contains text. So I put text, then open it, click on the time cell, comma, then put my quote. How do I want my time to show in this very cell? So I can put hour, I put column, I put minute, and then put AM / what? PM. Put the quotes back. Okay, that's good. So these are the way we can make use of time and joining text and numbers in Excel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And if you have any question to ask, don't forget to drop it in the comment box.